Cold feet. Cold feet. It's an idiom. It means to lose courage and end up losing one's confidence. In one word, lose of courage. So if you are afraid of something, then you are really got cold feet. Examples. The first one, the burglar has got cold feet when the dog started barking. Thief came, but the dog barked at him. The thief lost his courage. So he became very frightened. That's the reason the burglar has got cold feet. Second one, Arvind agreed to sing at the local club, but he developed cold feet and cancelled the event. First, Arvind accepted to sing, but later somehow he lost his confidence and he cancelled the event. That's the reason he developed cold feet, lost his confidence. Third one, Ramesh and Rani were planning to get married next month, but Ramesh got cold feet and called off the wedding. So Ramesh and Rani, they were planning to marry, but suddenly what happened? Ramesh lost his confidence of marrying Rani, so he cancelled the wedding. So that's the reason Ramesh got cold feet. Fourth one, Veronica gets cold feet once again about going on a trip to Europe. So Veronica lost her confidence to go to Europe because she might have got some bad experience last time. That's the reason she was afraid to go. So she gets cold feet. Fifth one, he got cold feet when he heard the news of his transfer to remote area of the country, which is hundreds of miles from his hometown. So he was afraid because he was transferred to a remote area because he has to travel so many kilometers. That's the reason he lost his confidence. He got cold feet. So when we look at the origin of this idiom cold feet, it comes from the Italian expression avere minge freca ip, which literally means to have cold feet. The expression, however, was mainly used to mean to be without money. It was in this sense that the 16th century dramatist Ben Jonson used it in his play Walpole. But it was in the 1890s in America that the expression acquired the meaning of cowardice. So finally, get cold feet means to lose courage or confidence and become afraid of something or someone.